Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Bit of housekeeping before we get started. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the like button. It's really appreciated if you click the like button because it shows YouTube that you guys like this sort of thing and they promote it more and it helps my channel, so thank you very much. So what's this one? Well, this is a continuing part, another small video around a much bigger build, which is the garden room build. But I'm just doing a little bit of boxing in down here of some outside pipes. I've done some insulation, I've just put it in and I'm just going to create that so it just protects it from all the frost, because we've got an outside tap that was exposed and that was at danger you know, when we came in and we fitted to it, but there was always an outside tap here and it wasn't insulated. So I've done a little bit of insulation. I'm going to bring the camera around and show you what I've done. And I'm just going to do some boxing in just to protect it from the elements. So just bring that around. So as you can see, we've got some pipes here, we've got some outside tap. I've just put some outside tap select protectors insulation there. We protect this. They're going to be fine, but I'm just covering up all the 15mm copper pipe that insulating that, and then it's just looking after it. And that's an outside tap, and that's to isolate, the water from the garden room. So but what I'm going to do is just do some simple boxing in and a little latch, a little door or something that just looks after it. So that's what we're going to do. So first thing I'm going to do is create the frame for the boxing in. So I'm going to just cut up some material that I've got. This was originally 4x2. I've just done some ripping on my table saw just to create some components so I can make a nice little frame and build off of it. So I'm going to create that and do that and come out. Only needs to come out a tiny little bit, but that's where we're going to go. So we're just putting together a little frame, so put these together. Okay, we've got the two side parts of the frame screwed in and fixed to the wall. So now I can create the rest of the frame before we actually box it in. So it's got to be big enough so you can get your hand in to get out the taps. So it's got to be a sensible size, but it's coming on. There we go. Right, I just wanted to make that frame square, so I've just put that brace on the back while it glues up. Good little thing there. You can just put that on the back there, and I can just let that set. And now the door, that's the door. So I just wanted to square it up. Just put that brace on, keep it there while it glues, and then it'll set nicely. Nice little box. Decided to make it look like a piece of garden furniture, so that's what we've done. Nice and simple, and it's in keeping with everything else that's going on around it. As you know, you'll be following some of the other books, the big field of the garden room. Got a nice little bit of fencing there, which is coming on as well. So we've just made a nice little light on a latch, really easy access. So when you want to get in, you want to plug I nearly said plug my phone in. When you want to plug the hose in, there you go, nice little connector there, nice and easy, and turn everything. And you can isolate obviously everything within the garden room. It's insulated, it's protected, and then it's inside this. So just making it, instead of it ugly like that sitting on the outside, we've made that look nice. It goes away, easy storage. So that's a little boxing in, made nice rather than just plain old boxing in, just to make it look actually like a piece of garden furniture. And the customer has just said, well, that's handy, I can put my drinks on there. So that's good news as well. So that's boxing in of an outside tap, making it look like a piece of garden furniture. So thanks for watching. There's loads more on the channel. If you're new to the channel, as I said at the start, please subscribe and click the like button. It's really appreciated. Loads more. You can go and check out the garden room, both small jobs, big jobs, medium jobs, whatever is your thing. You can go and check out and see how you get on. So look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until the next time, from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures. Take care, everybody. Bye.